Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel Mwana Wekaya. I'm Simire. I really appreciated all your support, all your help on viewing my video, commenting on it, liking my video and sharing it. All your comments, it meant a lot to me and it helped me improve myself. So today's video, I'm going to talk about subscribing, sharing, liking, turning on notification, and what it's going to mean. The meaning of all of that. So that will be the subject of today. And also the commenting, obviously, what it does. Alright guys, I'm gonna start with why subscribing and how to subscribe. Why you should subscribe on the channel. You on YouTube watching video, and we all know there's thousands of video posted every minute, and you end up on this video that you like, and then you wonder how you're gonna get to it. This is how you subscribe on the channel. When you're watching the video, it will direct you to the page, home page of the channel, and you will see a written word that says subscribe. This is in English. It could be written in French or any other language that you choose on your YouTube. For English, it will say subscribe. So when you press on that word, it will change color and it will say subscribe. So that way, you have an easy way to go on the channel and watch the video. Now, when you press on that button, you also have to press on the notification bell. You press on that button, and every time the channel posts a video, you will be the first, among the first to see the video. And this is the benefit of turning on your notification. The second subject is liking a video. When you're watching a video, there's always a thumbs up and a thumbs down. Thumbs up means you like it. Thumbs down, which means you dislike it, you don't like it. When you put a thumbs up, that thumbs up means a lot for the creator of that video. It tells the person that it gives them the energy to make more video, because the video that this person is making is being liked by many people. Now here we are. Let's say that you forgot to press on the subscribe button, but you press on the like button, and then this person on the channel, there's another video that's posted. Right away, you're gonna get it in your list of your videos on your phone, on YouTube, because we all have a playlist on YouTube. So if you like that video, it will be added to your list of videos on your YouTube. And then this also will give you that opportunity to watch this new video, and it will give you a second chance. If you missed to subscribe on the first video you watched, it gives you a second chance to go on the page and subscribe and like, and there you go. So you are the first, among the first, to see the videos that are upcoming. Okay, here we are now on why sharing a video on YouTube. Okay, among ourselves, we have friends who have questions. And let's say that I watched a video that was really interesting, and this friend of mine is concerned, and let's say I have to make ginger juice. Now here we are, I watched the video, right? And now I know how to make ginger juice, right? So my friend has questions about it, but he doesn't know how to start, nothing. So here I am, I say, okay, I remember this friend of mine. I say, okay, I watched this video, I have to make ginger juice. And this friend of mine is questioning me on that subject. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go on YouTube. There's a button to share. It says share. Obviously, again, in English. In different language, it has a different word. But on YouTube, when I'm watching the video, it says share. When you press on that button share, It gives you options on how you're going to share the video, whether it's on WhatsApp or messengers or email or other option of sending the video to your friends or families. So here I am. I've got the answer. I'm gonna share it with my friend who has questions, and then I'll press the button share. I'll go on the option that I choose, will be say WhatsApp. I'll lock my friend on WhatsApp and I share the link, because right away it will share, it will have the name of the video, it will have the name of the channel and the link. So I'll send all of it to my friend, and my friend, all he has to do is just press on the video. It will bring him to the same video that I watched, and it will give him answer that this friend of mine is looking for. And now this friend can make his own or her own ginger juice just because I choose to share my video. It helps someone else. That's the reason why sharing is so important. The other thing also which is good about sharing the video on YouTube, when you share the video on YouTube, and let's say I share it to my friend share it to his friends, it all comes up to mathematics, 1 + 1 = 2 and whatsoever. So this is how it goes. My friend could be here in Canada or in France or in America. You share it outside, wherever your friends are. It's international. That's the good thing about this. It's international. It is free. It costs nothing. You just press the button, go on your contact, choose the name of your friends, send it. Your friends, wherever they are, they will do the same thing. They like it, share it. Share it with all his friends. And that's how we get to reach as many people as we can. And this gives us, the channel, the viewers, subscribers, and it is very good because we're reaching a lot of people just by pressing on the button. The next subject is commenting on the video. Why is it so important when you leave a comment? All right, commenting, first of all, we have to respect the guidelines of YouTube, because it's been written on there. Respect the guidelines of the community. We can't commenting anything on the YouTube. We have to be respectful, which is very important. Now, what to comment? There's also, again, a button that says comment. In any language, it's in a different word. It says comment. Let's say during you watching the video and you notice something. Let's say I'm camera shy, and as I'm speaking on my video, you are viewers, you're noticing that. Well, comment that. Leave a comment. Say, hey, I noticed that you did this and that during the video. So, you can do this and offer an opinion or a suggestion on as you write your comment. Or say, okay, there's something that I did on the video that you liked so much. You already pressed the like button, subscribe, turn on notification, you're sharing, and then here you are. Say, how can I let this person know that I liked what she did on the video, or I liked how she dressed, or how her hair is, or anything that is in the video that you liked? Well, you go on the comment, write it down, and definitely that the channel, we're gonna notice that and we're gonna like it. So also this helped me improve myself, and I get more relaxed as I'm speaking to you, but also because of what you wrote, that's how I noticed because when I'm talking to you, I can't see every move or how my hair is and everything. No, you are the one watching me, so you noticing things, write it down. And if it is comment, it's something that you like or something that I should correct, because we all make mistakes, we all make errors. So if something that I did, I can go and correct it on my next video. So this is why it's important. I'm gonna tell you this. All the subjects that I spoke about, they're all free. Subscribing is free. Liking, sharing, commenting, turning on your notification, they're all free. It doesn't cost not even a penny. So it just requires you to press the buttons: subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. You gotta write something and sharing with all your friends. And then when you turn on your notification, on my next video, you'll be among the first to see the video. Now, I talked about subscribing, liking, sharing, turning on your notification, and leaving a comment. And I've already explained all of that. So here I am again asking you, please subscribe, turn on your notification, like this video, share it with everybody, and please leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope to see you on my next video. Thank you.